Here we presented our top 5 best handheld vacuums. So, let's get started this video. Number 5. Black Plus Decker 20V Max Flex Handheld Vacuum. The Black Plus Decker 20V Max Flex Handheld Vacuum amazed our testers at the lab with its suction power, clever design, and versatility. It nearly made our best overall spot, but requires 2 hands to operate, so we docked it for that inconvenience. The hose wraps around the motor when not in use, in what our tester described as a little hug, making this pick easy to store and space-saving. Now, the vacuum is certainly a bit noisy and could be tough to hold a conversation over. Number 4. Shark WV201 WandVac Cordless Handheld Vacuum. The Shark WandVac is more expensive than other handheld vacuums but features a high-speed, brushless motor that produces excellent suction. According to our in-home product tester, it measures about 16 inches long and includes a crevice tool with bristles, as well as a multi-surface pet tool. When tasked with capturing pet hair from upholstered surfaces, the bristles of the crevice tool did an excellent job of sweeping up the hair before the powerful WandVac suctioned it out. You should also know that the dust bit is small, due to the super slim design. Number 3. Bissell AeroSlim Hand Vacuum. The Bissell AeroSlim is one of the lightest handheld vacs on the market. To put its size in perspective, a quart of milk weighs 2 pounds while this cordless vacuum weighs just 1.3 pounds. Our testers were surprised at how much power this tiny vacuum packed. It excelled at our tests on hardwood, medium, and high pile carpet. It only took a few extra passes on low pile carpet to pick up all the debris. Luckily, the powerful suction will suck any scattered debris right back out. Number 2. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium-Ion Cordless Hand Vacuum. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Handheld Vacuum is a great option for any pet owners looking to tackle pet hair without having to pull out their heavy-duty vacuum. Our tester said this vacuum tackled everything from pet hair to kibble with ease on all flooring types. While this vacuum may not have any revolutionary attachments or technical features, our tester said it was well worth its price tag and thought it handled pet hair very well. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Cordless Lithium Hand Vacuum. While it fell from its previous spot as our best overall handheld vacuum, we still love the Black Plus Decker Cordless Lithium Hand Vacuum. It's still reliable, quality addition to any home, and features cord-free operations so you can use it anywhere in the house or on the go. At the end of the day, this mid-price vac is a great marriage of quality and value. However, you'll appreciate that it's lightweight and has a cordless design. It's easy to carry around your space, even after a full day of doing chores.